Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to process data and replicate human decision-making. It's used every day by tech companies and can already perform complex tasks such as facial recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. But artificial intelligence is limited to performing specific tasks and lacks a general understanding of the world. Enter artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI is the next step in AI development, creating machines capable of understanding and learning any intellectual task a human can. Where AI replicates human performance, AGI independently produces new intelligence. But AGI raises some concerns. With machines able to think independently, will they be able to control their actions? Will they outsmart humans? And do we need to add ethical rules to machines to avoid harming humans? So, which one is better, AI or AGI? AI has a lot of practical uses and is already revolutionizing the tech industry, but AGI could be a game changer for humanity. However, we must proceed cautiously and take the necessary steps to ensure that AGI remains under human control. We live in an era where we are more connected than ever before, and it is clear that artificial intelligence and artificial general intelligence will only become more prevalent in our society. It's time to embrace these technologies while also prioritizing our safety. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest tech trends.